Whew. Hi, on this video, we will discuss about the BM70 Beacon Admin feature. As you can see here, I have here a low-cost sniffer so that we can see the over-the-air packets. This is the document for the Beacon Admin service. And here is the configuration of the BM70. So let me show you how I configured it. This is the beacon. Oops. Let's load the one that I've been checking earlier. Let's see. We set this up as beacon. These are just the usuals. It's automatically on auto pattern mode. And then for the GET service table, we have this, the ISSC Beacon Admin service. And if you're experiencing the similar issue with mine, let me put this here, that there are no details here, I suggest opening an older version of the tool where you can compare the data. So you can see here, beacon feature is enabled, admin mode is enabled. Beacon admin timeout is set, well, I've set it to 13 seconds so that we will be given enough time to log in before the BM70 broadcasts its data. And this is the payload that I want to see. Well, what I'm expecting to see. This is just a flag. This is basically the manufacturer specific data, the FF. You see. This can be seen at the Bluetooth specification on what these parameters mean. But basically, this is the manufacturer specific data, and this is what we want to modify. And this is the beacon secret key. It is used to generate the response and able to properly log in as an admin. So let's see here, UI tool config. So now let's close this table. And for my hardware, I'm using the BM70 pigtail and an Android phone. So now I shall restart my sniffer. As you can see here, the BM70 is now advertising. Just a second. We should be able to see my Android phone. I'm now opening the application. I am using the ISSC Beacon Admin application. Oops, I've reached the timeout. So what I've got to do is restart the BM70 and then log in. We've set the secret key to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, ABC. So log in. As you can see here, this happens from time to time. The master is unable to generate a response. So what we want to do is just restart the application and restart the BM70. We should be able to log in. Enter the secret key. Oops, it still didn't generate a response. If you're wondering how I figured it out, well, that the application is not generating a response, you can see here that the BM70 is actually giving us the challenge, and then the application should generate the response based from here and on the admin service. So where is that? Here. The BM70 replies with the challenge value. So opening the application again, starting the BM70. Oops, what happened? There's still no login. We should be seeing here BM70. Finally. So, as you can see here, the master has replied to the challenge. Here is the slave's challenge. So let me just type here what happened. So BM7 application. And then the BM70 replies. The challenge, then up. Oops, it writes. Basically, this is true notification. As you can see here, this is the this is actually the challenge, and this is the reply. So this is the key that's generated by the application. And then the slave confirms the login. So that's it for logging in.